Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is. Once you see the dad in the lobby, no man, you know what time it is, no man. You don't know it's a big bad music reaction are coming. You see me I say? Why if they come forward? You see me I say? Come on, I see what we're doing today, gang. Today we got wifey, you see me, our girl. You see me, my girl, and that my wifey, you know. We in a committed relationship. Y'all just don't know. You feel me? Y'all just don't know. It's just we keep our thing private, we keep our private life private. So no. That's him, but word for you, man. They have my wife to them, man, none other than Shenseea. You see me? And the one named Dolla. You see me? This is the Dolla live colors performance. I rock with colors, bro. Let me know if y'all want to see more color performance, bro. Because I rock with the whole setup. It's like they get an artist, they do a song, the whole background is a certain color, and it's a vibe, bro. Usually, the whole vibe usually matches the song. You know what I'm saying? So, let me know if you want to see more color performance from dancehall artists, hip-hop artists, UK artists. You know what I'm saying? Let me know, and I will definitely get that done for you guys. You know what I'm saying? It's a good look, man. But yeah, man, Shenseea performed Dolla live for the colors. Well, check it out and see what she had did for the Colors Studio, man. And you don't know a girl, and when she do these live performance, she always looking good, always looking fine and shit. Always got that seductive vibe going on, and she performed very well. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna check it out. So Shenseea did. Now we'll be fine with Shenseea Dolla. Get it, gang. Girl, man. When girl look good, you know, man. I'm looking stacked. Yo, Shenseea, if you don't like me, no shit. You don't want to go nowhere, you know? I tell you, don't. Hey, let me get back to the video, gang. Let me see in the comment section who thinks Shenseea looking good right now. Let me see if you think she's looking good right now. And if you're a hater and she thinks she's not looking good, let me know that as well. Let me see who the haters are. You feel me? More look good, man.
Work for the thing gone up. Shenyang money make it thing start up. You know. Shenyang money, yeah. Better than SEX.
What? Money better than? In certain aspects. You know what I'm saying? But go on.
Dollar Billy, yeah. That's better than SEX. My Amex is better than SEX. And my money never left.
Amex better than SEX. The American Express. Come in, man.
That better than SEX.
I sent him, the dollar better than the SEX, you know, because, you can use the dollar get the SEX, but unless you're a woman, not all the time you can use the SEX, get the dollars. You get what I'm saying?
Yes. Whoa, better than SEX. SEX. Better than SEX. Yeah. Whoa, better than SEX.
Oh, you know, man, look at vibesy, you know, dancehall vibes. But a lot of people gonna be like, oh, you got the Afrobeats vibes, you got the, you know, no, Afrobeats came after dancehall, bro. Afrobeats took his inspiration from dancehall. Remember that.
I love a touch for someone, but never need no one. Just need me here in one. Yeah. We got a vibe, you turn me on, but if you ever do me wrong, I wouldn't grieve for too long. Yeah.
Got a vibe, but if you do me wrong, I'm not gonna grieve for too long. Eventually, I'm gonna get over it. Yeah, it hurt a little bit. You see, well, eventually, I'm gonna get over it, man. You know?
You know what say? Enough money you have to spend. Can't chat to me if you're not send. Man, stay up on the side, cause money and mommy and dollar never straight for
Say, yo, you can't talk to her if you're not, you say, money, if you spend, you can't talk to her if you're not send. But Shenseea talk to be a man when I know value, my G. You see, man, so I understand, man, if you rotate here a little bit, you know. It's when woman, that's a emphasize on the money because them they don't be a niggas. That's all they can provide. They see me a money, they don't know. You look nothing about them. You see me, I say, mama, come on a real dog like me, mama, forget about all money and them thing, them, man. I want to you, man, Shen. Show you how to live some life. The best thing life for free, no, mama. I want to you.
Ricky and make it rain, oh. Vibe a little if him fuck up and me come in and need him. Say me bright, damn right, me no easy. Rich flex, they can't hold me. Me no know about you, but me know say, yeah.
Dolla better than it. Hey, money the girl them want me jail. Money the girl them want, but better than you. They not tell you say money better than SCX, no, but if I have money and you don't have your SCX, then I go left. So what am I try to say? You have to balance out the thing, man. Balance out the thing, man.
My Amex, whoa, it's better than SCX. Better than K. And me money never left. That's better than SCX. What's love? It's better than SCX. I know you better than SCX. I know it's better than SCX.
I could dance a tune of a bounce to it, a vibe to it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Have a little bounce to it, man. Yeah.
Better than SCX.
Yeah, man.
Better than SCX.
Check. Link up one day. Remember? Remember that, man. For one day we have Shen on the channel. Remember me tell you that, you know. Remember me tell you that, man. Speak it in your existence, you know. Yeah, man. One day we have Shen on the channel, man. Tia, man. And we're going to make she a blush. You see me? We not blush like Jeffrey. We make she a blush and turn red on them sitting there, man. You see me? Where I speak that in existence. Shen a company channel, man. Nice, man. Cheap, paid, body clean, shape good, look good. Yeah, I can't bet you smell good too. Yeah, see me, I say, easy now. Yeah. Bad your blood clot bad, Shenseea, I tell you that. Yeah, man, bad your blood clot bad. Come in. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, big up Shen. And big up the Shen Yangs. That is Dolla. The color show performance. Dolla better than SCX. You know better than my AMX. Me, girl, say Dolla's over 6 better. You see me AMX over there. Yeah? Yeah, man. But don't get to see if you have dollars and you don't have a sex, girl, I'm going to go left. If you have a sex and don't have a dollar, girl, I'm going to go left. So you have to balance out the thing, me G. Very around your thing, you know? Yeah, man. But yeah, man, guys, I don't think about the one, man. Shenseea, Dolla, performance with colors, studio. Liking it, it's a vibe, man. I always like color studio videos. They always do their thing, man. Let me know if you want to see more performances like this from any other artist or dancehall artist. Let me know. I get it done. Whether it's hip-hop artists, UK artists. Let me know, I get it done for you guys, man. But yeah, man, Shenseea, yeah, man, wifey at the channel, man. Always I do our thing. You see me, I say, mama look good. Performance was done great. Just, you know, vocals and everything improved. Mama can sing and perform and everything, man. So big up Shenseea, man. Mama a star, man. You see me? Yeah, man. Shenseea got far to go, you know. See, a lot of people say she don't need Shenseea reach something, but she still has so far to go. And she can't go there. You see me, it's never too late. Shenseea no still if you hit them with that. You know? And she go find it, man. You see me, give her some time, man. By the end of this year, Shenseea go up. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, guys. Let me know one thing about the one day. If you like it, definitely show the artist them some love and support. And let's chop it up. Let me know your favorite part in the comment section. Let's discuss about the visuals, music, Shen. Let me know, man. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this or similar to this. Let me know. I'll get it done. Drop your suggestion. Drop your request. By the way, big up to Patrick Taylor. He's the one that sent this in to me. I forgot to shout him out at the beginning. Patrick, don't be mad at me, gang. Shout out to Patrick Taylor, man. He was like, yo, Shenseea just dropped Dolla live. You see what I'm saying? And I said, I gotta get it done for you guys. But yeah, man, gang. Let me know what you think about this one. Like, show the artist some love and support. You already know what time it is. Let me know it's Jambisco dance center. Drop your request. Yeah, you will get your shout out. All that good stuff. You already know what time it is, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And you already know. Your boys.
On the play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.